Hi there. I wonder if you're similar to me, a business owner, yet facing the reality that you can't afford to actually retire. Faced instead with simply having to carry on working way into our 70s and maybe even beyond that. And yet, in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you a possible online solution. Hi, I'm Adrian. I've just turned 60 and I remember to this day seeing my father retire so well at 60 on the old system. He took his lump sum, bought a boat, a home in the country with my mum. It was idyllic. But as for me, not a chance. It's soul destroying. You see, the reality we face is that if we keep on doing what we've always done, we'll keep getting what we've already got, which, yes, as you know, is not quite having enough to retire. That is, unless we're willing to do something radically different. And that's exactly what I've done. I've learned how to build digital assets online, and that was from zero online experience. Yet the thing is, I've discovered it's actually easier than you might think, given the right guidance. At the end of the day, the online world is booming. And the beauty of building a digital asset is you do the work once, yet it can give you an ongoing income if you set it up right. That's the key to time freedom. But what do I mean by a digital asset? Well, in its simplest form, it's selling anything online using an automated system. It could be a physical product, a training course, even your own experience, or something else of value. Now, if you click the button below, I'll send you all the details and how you could even get started today. You see, 2 years ago, I came across this opportunity, but with no online experience, and my wife whispering in my ear, "Don't do that. I know people who've tried the online thing and it doesn't work." And yet something inside of me urged me to take this new path and give it a go. After all, if I didn't do this, what would I do? Yeah, you've got it, carry on working forever. So wasn't it worth at least a try? And try I did. I followed the step-by-step framework, the exact same one I'm offering you. And it was something I found I could get my teeth into, just learn a little every day, and I soon realized I can actually do this. And of course, you could too. The beauty of the training is it helps you to discover an online offer around your skills, your passions, your interests, and even your life experiences. There are many different options. Some build their own brand and offer. Others choose an affiliate route because it's a ready-made business that can actually be got going quite quick. And that's what I did. And I launched my business inside my first month. I made my first online sale just 8 days later. What an exciting day that was. And it's not because I was brilliant. I just followed the blueprint diligently. And there's nothing to stop you doing the same. And the thing is, I just carried on from there. And every single month, I've seen my business grow. And now, as I look back after nearly 2 years, instead of waking at 4 a.m. in the morning, which used to happen regularly, with dread and fear about my future, I'm now so excited about my golden years that I honestly thought I'd lost forever. World cruises, classic cars, time for my health, time for my wife, time with my grandchildren, model railways, music, even charity trips to India are all, yes, that's right, all back on the map. And also just being free from that financial stress. It's fantastic. Now, what about you? Did you have some dreams for your golden years that you've simply had to leave on the back burner? Would you love to restore those dreams? If so, I think I can help you. I know it's true. I've done it. I've proved it to myself, and I'd love to prove it to you too. Why not take a look? If you click the Learn More button, I'll send you some free introductory videos that'll tell you everything you need to know. At the end of the day, what have you got to lose to at least take a look? And you never know. This could just be the start of something really amazing for you, as it has been for me. And from one business owner to another, if you do take my advice, I don't think you'll regret it. And you certainly won't be on your own. I'll see you there.